Hello, dear friends. What we have here is a custom Castle Dom. That's right. She's a gel coat Dominator equipped with Castle motor and ESC. It's also got the Quasar talking GPS radio, telemetry hooked up, and that's what's up. He's got Oxi-Drive ball bearing stinger, stainless 4514 prop, our CNC prop nut, our water tubing. Now let's pop the hood on this son bitch. Whoa! Castle 1520 1650 kV motor. Oxidean Marine by Castle 8S ESC in our beautiful stunning blue. Oxidean OPSL-01 digital CNC cased high-speed servo chromoly gear. And you doggone right, we give you an aluminum servo horn. Why